Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and if you are in a hurry, today's dinner is going to be amazingly simple for you. Orange pineapple crockpot chicken. And for that, we are going to need about 2 pounds of chicken diced into larger cubes, a red pepper diced, an onion diced, a can of pineapple, a jar of sweet orange marmalade, some soy sauce, and some BBQ sauce. All pretty easy stuff to get. So you know the drill. Let's get going. And assembly of our chicken dinner is easy. Just pour the chicken pieces into the crock pot. Pour in the onions. Pour in the red peppers. Pour in the half a jar of our marmalade. Give it a good tablespoon of our soy sauce. And last but not least, add about a 1/4 to half cup of barbecue on top. And after we give this a nice stir all together, we're going to be cooking it on high in our crock pot for the next 3 hours or so. Almost forgot, we need to add in just the juice so far from our pineapple jar. Okay, it's been cooking for a good 3 hours on high, bubbling away. What we're going to need to do is take out a little, add a decently good spoonful of cornstarch, and get that thoroughly mixed so you don't see any more lumps. I'm going to make a slurry of sorts so that we can thicken up the sauce in our crock pot before we eat it. And once our sauce is thickened up, it's time to taste our chicken. Okay, the time is here to try out our chicken that's been cooking, and I'm looking forward to this bite. Well, it definitely has a sweet factor from the pineapple in it. You almost can't tell there's barbecue sauce in it, and that's kind of cool for people who don't love that flavor. The chicken's cooked amazingly. I was almost scared it was going to be too dry or something, but no, it's perfect. And this is pairing lovely with some white rice. Of course, I'm sure if you don't want to go the Asian food route, you could always put it over egg noodles or something else. Even just eat it on its own, maybe. So, if you have any thoughts, comments, or ideas of what I did right or wrong, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I will see you next time.